Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Take 400 grams, 1 pound, of ground pork and 400 grams, 1 pound, of ground chicken. I grate the onion on the big holes of the grater. My name is Isabel, I'm happy to see you on my channel. Add it to the ground meat. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add paprika and dried garlic. Add dried marjoram. Mix it well. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit for 30 minutes. One onion. This recipe is super simple, I'll show you every step. Follow my lead and it'll turn out great. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Put it in a bowl. One red onion. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Add the juice of half a lemon to the onion. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Two tablespoons of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix well. Leave the onion in the marinade for 30 minutes. "500 grams of small new potatoes, about 1.1 pounds. Potatoes are rich in potassium, vitamin C and B6, improve digestion, and support heart health. Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Please subscribe to my channel. For garlic cloves, unpeeled, crushed. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Three sprigs rosemary. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Add salt and black pepper. Add some olive oil or vegetable oil. Mix the potatoes well. Place the potatoes in a baking dish. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes, turning once, until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy all over. Back to the ground meat. I rub my hands with vegetable oil. I take a portion of the ground meat. I use a bamboo skewer. I press the ground meat using cling film. Look how smooth and beautiful it is. You can find all the ingredients for this recipe in the description below the video. Have you tried my recipes yet? Did you enjoy them? Let me know what you think. Your feedback means a lot. Share this recipe with your friends, you're going to love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and leave a comment. Some vegetable oil. I cooked the lula kebab until it turned golden brown. Pork and chicken mince are healthy, packed with protein, and great for all kinds of dishes. Put it on a tray lined with baking paper. Put the marinated onion on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. It already looks so delicious, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. Looks super juicy and tasty. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.